I came to Dr. Hawari for help. Today I have a smile I am proud of. My porcelain veneers look far better than I expected. I often find myself smiling for no reason at all.
The first moment I have met Dr. Hawari, I realized this is the one person that I was looking for.
I'm getting married in like 2 weeks, so I wanted to make sure I had the perfect smile, and before my treatment it wasn't as perfect as it is now.
The treatment process was incredible. Dr. Hawari and his staff couldn't have been better. Made me feel comfortable. I was a little bit jittery about coming in, but they put me at ease and did a fantastic job.
The confidence I have gained from having an attractive smile has opened many doors in my personal and professional life.
Now my confidence level's through the roof. I can't stop smiling.
I never stopped smiling anymore, to be honest.
Self-confidence immediately went up, and obviously I was a much happier person because I could go around smiling and showing off Dr. Hawari's work.
Dr. Hawari is a true artist. This is the best investment I ever made.
I would definitely recommend Dr. Hawari and his staff. They treated me like a queen, and I am completely happy with my smile.
Well, I would definitely recommend Dr. Hawari and his staff. It is a life-changing experience, and I would recommend it for anyone and everyone.
Yeah, this is one of the best investments I've made on myself, and I know it's going to last a lifetime.